I'm Shannon.
I'm Gavin.
And today we're going to show you how to make a cute chicken and chick bento.
We will first make the mama chicken onigiri. Before you begin, make sure your hands are a little bit wet. This will make sure that the rice doesn't stick to your fingers. Tightly pack the rice into a ball. Next, Gavin will show you how to decorate the chicken's face.
I'm going to punch out the eyes.
Using scissors or a seaweed punch, kids can easily put the chicken's eyes on. Using 2 corn kernels, insert into the chicken's face to form her little beak. The next few steps may be difficult for small children. Using a pair of scissors, cut off a small sliver of dried seaweed. Now we will cut that sliver into thirds. Carefully place the 3 small rectangles to form her feet. Do the same to make her other foot. Next, we will make the chicken's comb. Using a small piece of carrot, cut it into the shape of a comb.
We're going to make the chicken's comb.
Insert a dry piece of noodle into the carrot. Then put it on the top of the chicken's head. Now we will make flour sausages. Make 3 cuts into each half of the sausage. Boil or pan fry the sausage for a few minutes. Now you can either use a pea or a carrot for the inside of the flour. To make the baby chicks, first cut some circles out of either scrambled eggs or cheese. I am cutting out tiny triangles from a carrot to make their beaks. Carefully apply 2 black sesame seeds for the eyes. Now we can put together our bento box. Place the chicks near the mother chicken.
Thanks for watching.